The last thing our county striker Kyle Wotton wants after a training session is to come out and see his brand new BYD damaged. Luckily, LSH Auto are only a quick call away. And to make life easy, we'll even come and collect your vehicle. Our state-of-the-art accident and repair centre provides affordable industry-leading solutions for all your vehicle repair needs. Our trained and highly skilled technicians use cutting-edge equipment to restore your car back to perfect condition. Whether it's a minor cosmetic touch-up, alloy wheel refurbishment, or a major structural repair, we've got you covered. The LSH Auto team of experts are on hand to get you back on the road as soon as possible, because when it comes to your vehicle, you come first, always.